So, you're trying to figure out how to put your short, tiny, weeny little afro into a ponytail. I'm your girl. First things first, I already straightened my hair. So if you're trying to figure out how to straighten your hair when it's so short and everything like that, I literally just posted a video about that. So you can watch it up here because it's already straightened, as you guys can see. But this is how my hair looks when it's curly. I think I have like hair 4A, 3C, something like that, right? Something like that. But I do like this ponytail hairstyle so much. This is like my go-to hairstyle right now. And I want to show you guys how to do it because I know a lot of people will be interested in this. So let's get to it. So this is how she's looking. It's a mess. Yeah, I mean, it's... Thank God that I'm finally can put it in a ponytail. That's all I got to say. Okay, I'm gonna do like a middle part, I think, because that's my look. I actually like a middle part look because it's very trendy right now. I'm so not basic. So let's get to it. Just combing your back first in both sides. You can leave a little bit of baby hair, so like, you know, you have something to work with. This is how much baby hair I'm gonna leave out, right? Make sure that your hair is very combed when you're doing this. Because I like the side part, like I'm not gonna be taking in this hair on the sides first. I'm just gonna work with the back. As you guys can see, like it's like doing this section right here. What you want to do is decide where you want your ponytail to start. Like I like mine not very up, like here. I like it to be like that, and you want to put it in a ponytail. It's not perfect, but it will do. When you have short hair, got to be glued is your best friend. You cannot do this hairstyle without any hairspray. It's gonna last you a long time and it's gonna be amazing, and got to be glue is my absolute favorite. Now when it comes to your edges, we have something else for that. Do not be spraying got to be glue on your edges. It's gonna get crumbled and it's not gonna be cute. Like it's gonna be ashy basically. So what I like to do is I start off with the back first and I just spray. As you guys can see, I'm spraying a lot. And then I like to take my brush and just smooth everything down. And then you take your blow dryer and dry it in low heat. So now that is like dried, you want to go here next. Just try to work with sections basically. Now I'm gonna be swooping it like that so it lays like a middle part basically. If you feel like you want to add more spray after you have blow dried it to be dry, do not go back in with your brushes again. Just go back with your hands and try to smooth it out. Spray a little bit, try to smooth it out with your hands, because if you're gonna be brushing it after it's dried, it's gonna become flaky. Just smooth it out with your hands, just like that. Now that we have sprayed and laid it all back, we're gonna go in with another rubber band and make it more secure. Now we're gonna go in with the baby hairs. I'm just gonna use my jam. I mean, you can use edge control. I wouldn't recommend using any gel or using any hairspray for that. Just use your jam. Like, they're the perfect thing to go with. Like, they will make everything so smooth as well and very moisturized. I'm just gonna go in with my baby hair brush and just swoop. So what you want to do is braid your hair, and you can take a little bit of this hair to braid it with. And this will make it so like your own hair, your natural hair, because they're so short that they don't come out. So all you want to do is take a pomade, like I said, my jam. I'm just gonna slick it so all hairs are together. When you're here, you can do whatever you want. You can do a little bun, you can do your long ponytail, you know, with your human hair and everything. Right now I'm very into this braid that is like this long. Like, I feel like it's so classy, it's so elegant, and it's very like, it's low effort, you know what I mean? Like, I can wear that to work without it being extra. Like, it seems very natural. So that's the look that I'm going for. But you could do whatever you want. Do you, sis? Do you? When I get to here, which is the length that I want, then I just take a piece of hair from whichever section and then I wrap it around. Now you can dip this in hot water so like it's not stiff like that. As you guys can see, like you could see the blue hairband that I used. I'm gonna take this much and we're gonna wrap, spray the got to be glue, smooth it out, wrap, spray the got to be glue, and it continues. So that is basically how I do my ponytail, my favorite ponytail to do on my very short awkward hair length right now. If you guys love this look, leave me a fire emoji in the comment section down below, and if you hate it, just put the poop one. I get it, I understand. I just want to know what you guys like on that. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next week.